Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable access to accessories when iPhone is locked and what it does. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings. Then you want to swipe down a little bit and go to the Face ID and passcode. Once you're here, you need to type your passcode, so just type it. Then you want to swipe down to the section called Allow Access when locked. So as you can see, on the very bottom of this section you're going to find accessories. So now it means that you need to unlock your iPhone to allow accessories to connect when it has been more than an hour since your iPhone was locked. So, even if you're going to, let's say, connect to your JBL speaker, for example, or, a keyboard or whatever, you need to unlock your iPhone to connect to those accessories after an hour. If you turn this feature on, like enable it, you need to, you don't need to unlock your iPhone even after an hour to connect to those accessories. So, now this feature is on, now it's off. You just need to tap on this button to toggle it. So, this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!